everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very nice and healthy breakfast recipe and we're going to make this with jowar. Today I'm going to share a nice Jowar Upma recipe and we're going to make it more flavorful and more delicious by adding a few vegetables. So let's get started and check it out. To start, take 1 cup of white jowar, wash it thoroughly and soak it for about 10 hours. Jowar needs a good soaking to become soft. Once it's soaked, you can cook it in the pressure cooker. To a pressure cooker, add the soaked jowar, add enough water for cooking and the water should be above the level of the jowar. Close the lid, put on the weight and cook on medium flame for about 6 whistles. Once done, turn off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. Open the cooker and check if the jowar is cooked soft and well. Set it aside. Next, heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of Chana Dal, Urad Dal, mustard seeds and Cumin Seeds. Roast them until they turn golden and aromatic. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts for extra crunch. These are roasted peanuts with the skin removed. You can add peanuts or cashew nuts according to your taste. Once the dals are roasted, add 4 to 5 red chillies cut, a pinch of Asafoetida powder, and a large onion thinly sliced. Then add 3 green chilies chopped and vegetables like finely chopped beans and carrots. You can add roughly about 10 beans and 1 carrot for this recipe. Saute for a few more minutes. Then add a 1/4 cup of cooked green peas, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Mix everything well and cook for a few more minutes until the flavors are well combined. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the cooked jowar and mix it along with the vegetables. Look how colorful and wonderful the upma looks. After 5 minutes, squeeze the juice of half lemon and add a small cup of freshly grated coconut and a lavish sprinkle of finely chopped coriander leaves. There you go, here is this colorful, healthy and aromatic Jowar Upma that's packed with flavors and nutrients. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that makes for a perfect breakfast or evening tiffin. I have shared many other healthy breakfast recipes as well, do check them out. Well, it's time to taste this healthy Jowar Upma. Simple flavors, just like any other upma, but this is very healthy. So you can make this for breakfast and a bowl of this upma will give you a lot of energy and you'll be really active throughout the day. It's a wonderful and simple breakfast recipe that you can try and you can enjoy with any chutney of your choice. I'll give you a couple of links to the chutney recipes, do check them out. Do give this a try, let me know how it turned for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.